Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Tellor or TRB. We're covering it again. It's been a couple of days, and not a lot has happened technically, but still wanted to do a quick video on that. We've seen a lot of volatility, of course, still right now, or at least, well, right now the volatility has actually been pretty low. Like the last time we saw a big spike was on Sunday. But still, I know a lot of you are in positions, which is also, I mean, you can also see that when taking a look at statistics. The open interest right now for TRB is still quite high at around $160 million. So I just wanted to do a full update on that, tell you what's most likely from here, what to expect. In general, before we start, I do want to say that TRB is one of the most manipulated cryptos I've seen in a while. So it's difficult to predict what you should expect, but I'll do my best, and we'll just take a look at most of the information that is out there for TRB, and then we'll make an assumption based on that, and then that assumption could still be wrong. That's unfortunately the truth with TRB. Like, I cannot tell you this is going to happen because it's just not clear, but I'll do my best. All right, so that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that though, I do want to briefly tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals, but you also really become a better trader in our chat room full of traders and with my trading guide. So if you want to become a better trader while actually earning some profits as well, consider joining. All of the results are transparent, etc. So the links will be down in the description. Now onto TRB. So technically, like there's really nothing you can say about TRB. Like you could say that it's ranging between like $54 and $42, which technically is true. Like the EMAs are also flat in the middle, and usually when the EMAs are flat, that's an indication of a consolidation, and then usually they're in the middle of the range, which would say that the consolidation is between $54 and $52. So that's true, but then still the most likely scenario is unclear, because at some point of time, one of those two levels is going to break. We just know that. So which one of those levels is more likely to break, and what's most likely what will happen right now? Right? That's the difficult part. And there are multiple things that I want to show you. First of all, when we're looking at the funding rate, which is a rate that keeps the spot and the future price the same, what you'll see, that used to be very high. So that means that people will go long because they will get the funding fees and people will not short. And now what we're seeing is that the funding rate is actually positive today, which is pretty crazy. But also, like, it hasn't been high for some time, since the 5th of October. So that's 5 days, but still. So that means something. Usually when the funding rates flip like that, that's the start of the end. So that's leaning bearish. And then also what we see, like over the last month, this is the open interest, and we see that that's dropping and dropping. So that means that or not dropping and dropping, like you can see, this is the last month. We were looking at the last 2 weeks or so. But over the last month, it has been, like, especially over the last couple of weeks, it has been dropping down pretty severely. Usually when it drops down like that, that means that there's less momentum, and you need momentum for a crypto to be bullish. And given all of those numbers, I would say that at this moment, it's most likely that it will drop down towards $42 and $40. I cannot say that it's going to break. Like $40 is still so strong of a support level. It could easily rally again from there. But I am willing to say that TRB will drop down to that level, and from there we'll see again. Now, like I said, ending this video, I do want to end with that it is also possible that it will first revisit $54 and then drop down, or that it will get to $54 and then rally up higher. It's just, I don't want to say that, because I know I'm just saying that, oh, anything is possible. But the truth is that anything is possible. And it just, regarding the numbers, it just looks most likely that it will drop. But those are my thoughts on TRB. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.